Uh-oh, the deadlock is getting in the way. How is this going to work? Hey guys, my kitchen door lock latch is not retracting smoothly sometimes, so I decided to replace it with one of the top selling smart locks from Amazon. In fact, my daughter just installed this exact lock recently and highly recommended it. This came in a nice box with the following: detailed instructions, the drill template, 3-year warranty, but you have to register within 30 days. Strike plate, latch with face plate attached, 2 sets of regular keys and key fobs, and bunch of miscellaneous screws and hardware for installation. And finally, your door handle assembly. The inside door handle unit contains the battery compartment, and the outside door handle unit allows 4 modes for opening. First, the regular key or the key fob, or passcode that's entered on a keypad or through the fingerprint scanner. Overall, it felt like a really solid quality product. Since the smart lock is 5.5 inches tall, the deadbolt would interfere with the install. So I thought about moving the deadbolt down so that I can install this smart lock on the top side. However, upon removing the deadbolt, I come to discover that the deadbolt lock hole on the door is only 1.5 inches in diameter, but the smart lock requires standard 2 1/8 inch diameter hole. Since the hole is already drilled out, I would have to get a door lock installation kit like this one to ensure that I'm drilling in perfectly center to the existing hole. At that point, I decided to just return this product for now to give me more time to think about what I want to do. I looked at some of the shorter form factor door locks, but there aren't too many choices. And while researching, I came across a combo set that replaces both locks, which I thought really looked nice. So this is probably the way I'm gonna go. And note that all of these smart door lock examples, the tall smart lock is going to the top side. Therefore, if you're shopping for a smart door lock, take into consideration the problems I ran into, and if you have double locks like I do, prepare to install the smart lock on the top, but at that point, you probably want to get a matching door lock on the bottom. So once I get a new smart lock installed, I'll post the updated video. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.